It's so yummy, Abby. Oh yeah, let's go and learn how to make it. This one has got Auntie Deke's signature in it. In fact, what do you even think tapioca is made from? I used to think it was made from, I don't know, something in the family of oats. Only for me to discover that it was actually made from cassava. What? Anywho, let's get cracking for today. So what I've done here is wash the tapioca properly, because sometimes it's got like dirt in it and whatnot. So it's just like when you've got your typical gari and you're just trying to rinse it and then sieve out. Actually, gari is also made from cassava. Hey, see, we're not too far-fetched. Anywho, so what I'm gonna do is rinse it a few times until the water is as clean as this, okay, and then soak it for a while. Now moving on, we're gonna move on to our coconut. Do you actually know that? Do you know the purpose of the 3 dots on top of your coconut? Do you know the purpose? One of them is always very soft that you can easily puncture with a fork or knife or anything, and then you just juice the water out. Gone are the days that when you break coconut, the old water is out. So if you want to get the water out, that's the most conservative way of cracking your coconut. Then get the meat out of the shell and then grate it. Set that aside. Now see, our tapioca is swelling up. Now when I touched it, it was still hard to touch. Then I had to soak it again for another few minutes. Now it's ready. Let's get cooking. So first I made use of my coconut water, and then I added a little bit of water. Then pour in my soaked tapioca into the coconut water, okay, and then just leave it to boil. So you have to wait until this white color changes to translucent color. It looks like watercolor, right, or transparent color, what have you. So just keep boiling until it changes color from pure white to this translucent color. Then add a pinch of salt and then just leave it to continue cooking. Then add some sugar. You can add honey, you can add a sweetener, or you can even have it plain without adding any sugar. It's up to you. Do you, like I always say. So give it a good stir as well. Stir it properly. Now we're going to add our grated coconut meat. So we grate the coconut meat and we'll pour it in there. Now, because you don't want the coconut to get too soggy, so you don't want it to get too boil in there, I still like that crunchiness of my coconut, okay, in my tapioca. So it's time to serve it. You can either have it hot or you can have it cold. It depends on what you want, okay. I mean, Chinese people, they've got something they call boba tea, and in the boba tea they've got tapioca bowls. Okay, the boba tea most times is always cold, okay, so you can have your tapioca cold or you can have it hot. I mean, do you by all means. In this occasion I had it warm actually. It wasn't hot and it wasn't cold at all, so I just had it warm. Then add a bit of milk. You can add your evaporated milk, you can add your soya milk, your almond milk, your plant-based milk, your semi-skimmed milk. Do you, even if it's a powdered milk you want to use, please by all means do whatever satisfies your craving. So I'm just going to garnish it a bit there with some coconut and slices of banana. I know I am sugar tooth. I love sweet things. What does not like sweet things of life? Come on. And also you can add peanut butter if you want. I wanted to add peanut butter, but for some reason I forgot. But later off camera, when I was having my one, I added some peanut butter, and that is our tapioca ready. Alright then, if you've been watching up to this point, please do well. I will appreciate it if you can like, you share, and you subscribe. Thank you. Bye, and I will see you next time.